Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how to enable share screen on Discord mobile. So before starting this video, be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for our future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So first, to share your screen on Discord mobile, you need to call somebody or join a server and then go to their voice channel. So right now I'm gonna join a server over here. This is the server I'm gonna join. And after clicking on the server, I can go to the voice channel. Now a voice channel has this icon. If you see this icon beside the name, you can just click on it and it's going to take you to a voice channel. And you can click on join voice to join their voice channel. So right now I have joined the voice call. So to enable screen sharing, I can click on this icon which is right below over here. Then after clicking on this button, this screen shows up. This screen, it's basically notifying me that Discord is going to screen capture my phone and everybody can see what's being displayed on my phone on the other end. So click on allow, and after clicking on allowing, the screen opens up, which means your screen sharing has started. Now to turn off your screen sharing, you can click on this button over here, which is just gonna stop your screen sharing, but you're still gonna be in the voice channel. But if you click on this button over here, you're gonna stop your screen sharing and you're gonna get out of the voice channel, or you're gonna get out of the call with your friends. So that's basically how you enable your screen sharing on Discord. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification turned on to our channel because we post content like this. So to get notified for a future video, be sure to subscribe with notification on, and I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Peace out.